Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this tablet. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, in order to turn off my location, I need to select Close. So when I do that and go back, location of my Nokia is off, but you can always switch it back on by clicking on the same No Gray shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into Settings and tap on Location section after scrolling down. Now manage location thanks to this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!